G'day folks, this is Brian Weber from TechnicalAnalysisResearch.com, and this is the Euro Dollar report for the 20th of March 2012. Alright, so what we're looking here is the 1 hour chart. Basically, we've got a lot of support and resistance that's coming in the market, just basically because of the price action that we saw over the last few days. Now, Friday's overall target was hit, and that was around the 131.91 level. We can see the price pushed up on Friday, hit the first target around the 55.50 level, and then went up to hit towards the 131.91 level. And since then, we had the pullback here over the last few days. And then yesterday we had the push up basically, and this is pretty much the same chart pattern that we saw on Friday, and this is just basically a flag and pennant right here. So anyone who knows about chart patterns, we got the flag and pennant here. So here's the pole and here's the flag. Alright, and these are just continuation moves in the market. So if you can imagine, this is the pole here and this is the flag, then you get the breakout and the pullback again. So again, the same chart pattern is just repeating. So here's the pole and here's the flag. Okay, so the little trend lines to the downside and upside here. Okay, and again, what we'll be looking for today is a pullback towards the support point around this region here, which is the 3200 level down to the 3185 level. So if we can get a pullback to here, where the support is, the old resistance but now support, again we'll be looking for possibilities to get long here in the market. Now if you do break below that 131.85, I would advise against going long in the market today until we see some stabilization. But overall, we think this 131.85 up to 13200 level should cap the market downside today. And that should give us the momentum to push up and break above yesterday's high at 132.65, which is right here. So if we can get long, if we get a trading signal to go long around this region here, the 131.85 up to 13200, then that should take us all the way up to first target, which is yesterday's high at 132.65. But then again, if we reach that target, we think that that area there could be broke on a second or third attempt, and therefore the overall target will be 132.91 up to the 13300 level up here. Okay, so a little confluence zone up here. So 132.65 is the first target for any upside move. Second targets are the 132.91 up to the 13300 level. Now, if you look at downside, just in case the market breaks to the downside, what we'll be looking for, again, is that 131.85 level to be broke. If we do see a break of that 131.85 level, then that should basically open the doors for an extension move down to the 131.40 and then possibly even the 131.20 level. And that should really cap the downside today. We could possibly test the 3100 level, but it's a big ask if it breaks down. So keep your eye on that 131.85. If that level is taken out to the downside, your targets will be 131.40 down to 131.20. But overall, we're looking at possible buys at the 131.85 up to 13200 level to take us up to first target at Monday's high, 132.65, and then if that breaks, possibly up towards the 132.91, 13300 level.